create liquid glass effect CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many CapCut users want to create clean, professional-looking overlays or frames, but do not know how to use masking and text background features. Beginners especially need clear steps. It helps them improve editing skills and visually appealing videos for their projects. First, open your CapCut application on your device to begin editing. Create a new project by pressing the button at the top of the screen. After entering the project, add a background to your project first so you have a base to work on. Next, look for the text section located on the left menu and click on it. From there, add a text box to your project so you can begin customizing it. On the right menu, delete the default text that appears inside the box, and then press the space key several times to make a larger frame. This will help you shape the text box as needed. After that, scroll down until you see the background section in the settings. Checklist the box to turn this option on so the background becomes visible. Then, change the background color into white to create a clean base. After setting the color, adjust the opacity and set it to 45 so it becomes slightly transparent. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the rounded rectangle option. Set this value to 25 to give the box smooth corners. Once that is done, click on the text layer and press the compound clip option to combine the elements. After creating the compound clip, go to the video layer and make it bigger so it fills the frame properly. Then, move to the mask option and press the rectangle mask. Scroll down again and set the round corners of the mask to 25 and adjust the mask so it fits neatly around the rectangle shape. After positioning it correctly, press the revert icon to invert the mask if needed. Finally, set the feather value to 25 to soften the edges and create a smoother appearance. Take a moment to review your work and ensure everything looks balanced and clean. Adjust any elements if necessary before finishing. Practicing these steps will help you create more polished and professional edits using CapCut over time with improved control and creativity.